Jai Jagannath friends, welcome to Jobs World channel. I wish you are all safe at home. So today we are going to discuss the current affairs of 19th April 2020. So let's start. Question number 1. Scientists at which of the following institutes have developed a stable material for pseudocapacitor or supercapacitor which store electrical energy by electron charge transfer? So it is done by Institute of Nanoscience and Technology, Mohali. Question number 2. Who has launched Kisan Rath mobile app to facilitate transportation of food grains and perishable during the lockdowns? So it is done by Narendra Singh Tomar, who is the agriculture minister. So what will do this app? This app is developed by the National Informatics Center, and it will contact to the farmers to transport their food grains. Question number 3. Who attended the development committee meeting of the World Bank IMF through video conferencing? So it is done by our finance minister Nirmala Sitharaman. So some GK related to World Bank. World Bank headquarters present in Washington DC, and it was found on July 1944, and its MD and CFO is Anushulya Kant, and president is David Malpass. Question number 4. Abba Kairi has died from COVID-19 after nearly month-long infection. From which country did he hail from? So he was from Nigeria. He was the chief of staff of Nigeria. So some GK related to Nigeria. Nigeria capital is Abuja and its currency is Naira. Question number 5. Which state has set a record of food grains distribution under Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana and has reached a new high now? So it is done by Uttar Pradesh government. So some GK related to Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh capital is Lucknow. Its CM is Yogi Adityanath and governor is Anandiben Patel. And recently Uttar Pradesh has started the pool testing of COVID-19 first in the India. So what is a pool testing? Pool testing, for example, they will take the blood samples of 10 suspected COVID-19 patient and they will test at a time by mixing all the samples. So if it's come negative, then all patients are treated to be negative. If it's come positive, then they will check individually. Question number 6. Sri Chitra Tirunal Institute for Medical Science and Technology, in which state has developed an innovative kit named Chitra Gen Lamp Pen for the diagnosis of COVID-19. So it is present in Kerala, and it is the cheapest kit to test COVID-19. So some GK related to Kerala. Kerala capital is Thiruvananthapuram. Its CM is Pinarayi Vijayan and governor is Arif Mohammad Khan. And recently a campaign has started in the Kerala to say the benefit of COVID-19 during this lockdown period. Question number 7. The health minister Raghu Sharma of which state has claimed that the state became the first in the country to carry out rapid testing for COVID-19. So he is the health minister of Rajasthan. So some GK related to Rajasthan. Rajasthan capital is Jaipur. Its CM is Ashok Gehlot and governor is Kalraj Mishra. Question number 8. The educational department of which state has launched a project SMILE in order to ensure that continuity of teaching and learning is not hampered due to the lockdown? So it is done by Rajasthan government. So what is STILE? SMILE stands for SMILE is social media interface for learning engagement. Question number 9. Which of the following developed the Pusa decontamination and sanitizing tunnel? So it is done by ICAR. ICAR stands for Indian Council of Agriculture Research. So it was found on 16 July 1929. Its headquarters present in New Delhi, and Trilochan Mahapatra is its director. Question number 10. Which of the following has cancelled the license of Mapusa Urban Cooperative Banks and set up the course for liquidation? So this is done by Reserve Bank of India. So Reserve Bank of India was established on 1st April 1935. Its governor is Shaktikant Das and its headquarters present in Mumbai. Question number 11. Where will the Mobile World Congress, the telecom industry biggest annual gathering, be held in 2024? So it will be going to held in Barcelona. Actually, it was planned to be held in Barcelona in 2020 February, but due to the COVID-19, they shifted to 2024. So Barcelona is a city of Spain. So some GK to Spain. Spain capital is Madrid and its currency is Euro. Question number 12. In April 2020, DRDO has shifted its testing facility from Gwalior to which city? So DRDO has shifted the testing facility from Gwalior to New Delhi. So some GK to DRDO. DRDO headquarters present in New Delhi, and it was established on 1958, and Dr. G. Satish Reddy is its president. Question number 13. The which city platform for COVID-19 response with the support of Maharashtra State Innovation Society has launched COVID-19 Madat? So it is Pune. So some GK to Maharashtra. Maharashtra capital is Mumbai. Uddhav Thackeray is its CM and governor is Bhagwat Singh Kashyori. Question 14. The CM of which state has launched an app to help the people who are stranded across the country due to the lockdown? So this is done by Jharkhand Chief Minister. So who is the Chief Minister? His name is Hemant Soren. And Jharkhand capital is Ranchi. Draupadi Murmu is its governor. Question 15. Where did a US-Russian crew land safely following a stint on the International Space Station and was greeted with extra precaution due to the coronavirus? So they land safely on Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan capital is Nur Sultan and its currency is Tenge. An International Space Station was launched on 20 November 1998. Question number 16. Who has been appointed to the White House Coronavirus Advisory Council to combat the disease in the US? So his name is Ro Khanna. He was the first Indian American to get the appointment like this. Last question of the day. Which of the following state CM inaugurated the online delivery website C-Ghat at his residency? So this is done by Chhattisgarh Chief Minister. His name is Bhupesh Baghel, and Chhattisgarh capital is Raipur. Anusuya Uike is its governor. So what this app will do? Both the vendors and the customer can log in free in this app. So the customer can choose from which vendor they are going to buy the product. So this is the current affairs of 19th April 2020. I will attach this PDF in the description box. You can download it from there. So thanks for your time. Stay safe at home and be happy. And don't forget to subscribe the channel.